Welcome to the best picks. The best suspension rods is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your washing machine, but they are absolutely crucial for its smooth operation. These rods are the unsung heroes, working tirelessly to absorb the vibrations and keep your machine stable during those intense spin cycles. Without them, your washing machine could be dancing across the floor, leading to potential damage and a whole lot of noise. Number 5. Beaquicy W10780048 Washer Suspension Rod Kit. If your washing machine is vibrating excessively, it might be time for a replacement. This kit is designed to stabilize the wash tub and minimize those annoying shakes. It's a simple solution to a common problem. This kit includes 4 high-quality suspension rods, made from durable ABS plastic and silica gel. They're built to last and provide excellent shock absorption. Installation is made easy with the hook-type design. This kit helps resolve unbalanced load errors and is a great replacement. If your washer is experiencing issues like excessive vibration or leveling problems, this kit could be the answer. It includes all the necessary parts for a standard installation. We stand behind our product with a 5-year after-sales service guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, so you can purchase with confidence. The W10780048 suspension rod kit is compatible with various brands, including Whirlpool, MONKEMon, and Maytag. It replaces multiple part numbers, making it a versatile choice. Check the model list to ensure it fits your specific machine. Installing this kit is straightforward, and you don't need to be a professional. You'll need a few basic tools, and you can find helpful installation videos online. Remember to turn off the power and water before you start, and wear gloves for safety. What we like. This suspension rod kit features durable ABS plastic construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. The hook-type design makes installation a breeze. If you're looking for a long-term solution and peace of mind, this is the perfect choice. If your washer is showing signs of imbalance, this kit will restore its stability. What people say. Worked perfect. Fixed the crazy shaking and rocking on the washer. These things fixed our unbalanced Admiral washer. It immediately fixed the problem. No more death wobble. Number 4. MONKEMON DC97-05280W Washer Suspension Rods. If your washer is shaking excessively, it might be time to replace the suspension rods. These rods help stabilize the wash tub during unbalanced loads, minimizing vibrations. These MONKEMON suspension rods are designed to replace your old, worn-out ones. They act as shock absorbers, allowing the tub to move while reducing shaking during the spin cycle. Often, replacing these rods can fix Samsung washers that display the DC error code. If one or more rods are broken, the washer will vibrate or shake. Replacing them can restore balance. These rods are compatible with various Samsung top-load washers, including WA400, WA456, and WA50R series. Check the model list to ensure it fits your specific machine. This product replaces multiple part numbers, including DC97-05280W, AP5966911, and many more. It's a reliable replacement for your worn-out original parts. These rods are manufactured with strict quality control, from molding to assembly. They meet OEM manufacturing requirements, providing excellent performance without the high price tag. What we like. This kit offers OEM quality at a fraction of the cost, ensuring your Samsung washer runs smoothly. It is designed for easy installation, saving you time and money on repairs. If you're experiencing the DC error code or excessive vibration, this is the ideal solution to restore your washer's performance. What people say. The suspension rods were a perfect fit and easy to install. The washing machine is now working like new. The product was exactly what I needed to fix my washing machine. Number 3. Beaquicy W10780045 Suspension Rods Kit. Are you tired of your washer shaking and banging? This upgraded suspension rod kit is designed to solve those problems. It's made with high-grade materials for a longer lifespan. This kit includes 4 suspension rods, along with all the necessary parts for installation. It helps balance your washer and reduces vibrations, ensuring smooth operation. The package contains everything you need for suspension rods, suspension balls, and ball housings. These rods are about 26.7 inches long. They will significantly tighten the drum. We stand behind our product with a 5-year after-sales service. The rods are made of silica gel and metal alloy to prevent rust. If you have any issues, please contact us. This kit is compatible with various brands, including MONKEMON and Whirlpool. It replaces multiple part numbers. It's designed to fit a wide range of washers. Before starting, wear gloves and disconnect the power and water. If your washer is unbalanced or vibrates excessively, this kit can restore it to normal function. It's a simple fix. What we like. This kit is made of metal alloy, which effectively prevents rusting to increase the useful life. The 5-year guarantee provides you with confidence. If you're tired of a noisy and shaky washing machine, this kit will provide a stable and quiet washing experience. What people say. The new set was longer around 1/3/4 and a new top mount ball joint or the socket didn't fit like the existing. It was an easy task of changing out the suspension rods after watching a video on YouTube. Works as it should. Replaces the worn-out springs in the washer and keeps it from banging all around. Number 2. Beaquicy DC97-05280W Washer Suspension Rods. Is your Samsung washer shaking or showing error codes? These upgraded suspension rods are designed to solve the problem. They are a direct replacement for several Samsung models, ensuring a perfect fit and improved performance. These rods are built to OEM standards, with thicker construction and a spring featuring a rubber tubing and black braces. This design helps dampen vibrations, preventing the unbalanced load errors. Replacing them can often correct these issues. The spring with black bracket design acts as a shock absorber, allowing the washtub to move while reducing vibration. This upgrade ensures the washing machine runs smoothly, even at high speeds. It provides long-term stability and excellent performance. This kit includes 4 26.18-inch suspension rods and comes with a 5-year after-sales service guarantee. It fixes issues like an out-of-balance washer, error codes, and violent shaking. If one or more rods are broken, this kit is the solution. These rods are suitable for various Samsung top-load washers in the WA400, WA40J, WA456, WA45H, and WA45M series. They are compatible with multiple models. If your washer is vibrating or shaking, these rods are the answer. Installation is simple and can be done in about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll need a screwdriver and work gloves. Remember to unplug the washer before starting. Following these steps ensures a quick and easy replacement process. What we like. The upgraded spring design with black bracket ensures smooth operation even at high speeds. This kit comes with a 5-year guarantee. If your Samsung washer is displaying error codes or vibrating excessively, this kit will provide a stable and efficient washing experience. What people say. These rods are definitely an improvement over the factory ones. Once the rods were installed, the shaking and unbalance went away. These replacement struts were a perfect fit and completely solved the problem. The washer runs smooth again. Number 1. Whirlpool W10780048 Washer Suspension Rod Kit. Is your washing machine dancing around the laundry room? This suspension rod kit is designed to stop the shaking and restore balance. It's a simple fix for a common problem. This kit is compatible with various Whirlpool, Maytag, and Kenmore models. It's designed to fit specific models, so make sure to check the fit list to ensure it works for you. If you're unsure, we can help. The kit includes 4 rods, suspension balls, and bushings. These components work together to dampen the movement of the washer tub. Replacing them can solve the vibration issue. The design ensures easy and fast installation, saving you time and effort. While it's not an OEM product, it meets the same quality standards. It's durable and a great value. Get it fast with Amazon's official logistics. If you have any issues, please reach out. The seller is committed to providing the best solution, even without a return. What we like. This suspension rod kit is designed to fit a wide range of Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag models. The easy installation saves you time and energy. If you're experiencing balance issues or error codes, this kit will restore your washer's performance. What people say. They are a perfect fit, were easy to install and fixed the problem with no issues. After installing this kit, our washing machine is working great again. Product was easy to install and it had all the pieces to replace the whole suspension situation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.